never believe this. Look this. The water hose thing broke. Like the thing that produces all the water. It broke out. Look at it. Look at it. See? Look. You guys see that? It's literally like there's an explosion going past. See, here's a... Yeah, look at it.
I wonder what they're gonna have to do.
I hope our water's gonna be okay. Oh, the whole thing is the... Hey, look, McDonald's.
Shooting out so much.
Mommy, say hi to YouTube.
No.
Do it. Your face is already on YouTube.
Just say hi.
Please.
What the what?
Mama, say hi. Never mind. Say hi. That's my mommy. She said hi. Guys, it looks like a water park over here.
Oh my god.
Anyways, guys, that's just a little
There
update.
you go. You just got in front of me. Now you're gonna sit there. Obviously, you have to go to the other street and go around there.
The reason my mom's actually pulled over here is because I wanted to. And she said it was, and she did it for me. So that's the only reason why we're over here. Yeah. Let's see it shooting out. Look at it. And I thought the fire was the craziest thing. Guys, I thought the fire was the craziest thing. But look at this.
Look at the hole. The hole is that is coming out of it.
Oh my. How long is that going to keep going?
I have no idea.
I want to run in it.
They got police. They got it blocked off. They're not going to let it. Look at the hole. Like, look how big the hole is.
Guys, look.
It's like a...
Wait, hold up. God, I can't. Guys,
it's creating so much wind. Look at that.
Guys, look how big the hole is it's coming out of. That could be going for hours.
Yeah,
Those
but the thing is that they need to stop it so that we don't lose all the water.
Well, at least Burger King's on the other side of that. At least Burger King's on the other side, so nobody can get to. At least the water's covering Burger King, right?
Yeah. Look at it.
Guys, look. It's like having like water vapor that's covering the rest, you know?
Okay, so we gotta find out a back way to go. So we gotta go this way.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
Well, guys, this is the end of this video.
We'll have to wait.
I'm gonna name. If I ever make a playlist, if more. How did it carry all the way over here?
That much water is coming out that it's making floods.
Oh, please don't tell me this place is gonna flood. Oh. It's literally up the was it up the wheels? It was like, it got all the way over here?
It's gonna keep running, it has to have somewhere to go. So we just need to go to this next street down and then go down that way.
Well guys, if another crazy thing happens and I film it, I'm gonna make a playlist calling this weird stuff in my place. I'm gonna name it Weird Stuff in Texas. Yeah. Okay, bye guys. Peace out.